association believes that the announced budget cuts for the Department of Justice are detrimental to the National Prosecuting Authority. It says the biggest impact will be felt when the current aspirant prosecutor program comes to an end, as this will result in their members being overworked.
The program for the aspirant prosecutors is going to come to an end in January 2024, which will mean 22 people will not be available to the system unless employer now decides, NPA decides to absorb them.
PSA believes that the country's justice system will be dealt a blow.
With the number of cases in the system at this stage, it's a big problem to have that number excluded from the system, because it means cases are now going to be remanded, and then people are going to stay longer in the prisons still waiting for their case, or in the police holding cells still waiting for their cases to be finalized.
The National Prosecuting Authority agrees that the budget cuts are placing them in a tight spot.
Further major budget cuts for the next 3 years have been announced for the Department of Justice and Constitutional Development, which also then affects the NPA. The severe budget cuts have a devastating effect for the NPA, to the extent that it will be a struggle to even cover the salaries of existing staff.
The NPA says the budget cuts also mean that it will be impossible to have a new intake for the aspirant prosecutor program. Tabiso Khadebe, SABC News, Kimberley.